Hi, I'm Aqua of WTI.
Do you ever wonder how are you supposed to clean your tablet or your cell phone screen? Well, check out this awesome product. It cleans your screen beautifully.
I love this Click Clean screen cleaner. It has been working on all of my electronics, my computer. I was always a little scared to use cleaners on electronics, but this is just perfect for it, and I have not had any problems. I really like the design as well because the microfiber is built into the cleaner. So it's all in one, and then it even has a plastic case that holds the cleaner as well. I use it on anything, my cell phones, my tablets, my computers, my TVs, any electronic with a screen, this will work. I've just been really impressed by the design of this product as well. The little plastic case also doubles as a phone stand. So you can just throw this little cleaner in your bag anytime you need it. It'll be ready to go. I love the way it was designed, and I've been really pleased and impressed by the crisp, clear screens that it leaves behind. So I highly recommend if you need a screen cleaner. And that's my point of view.